Desperate activity in the worst of conditions faced the responders who hauled in extra equipment, small and large, to this construction site for a new residential property. From up high, you could see where the walls for the construction site gave way, sending mountains of dirt that turned into mud into the big trench where it was reported a man was working and likely unable to get out in time. The loud sounds of the shifting walls and debris jolted neighbors in apartments across the street.
I heard the noise, but I didn't actually see it falling, but you can tell from the scene itself it was pretty bad.
The torrential rain that followed the collapse was a heartbreaking, frustrating setback. A shovel crew and bucket brigade to move dirt bit by bit tried to establish a foothold, but then many of the rescue crew members had to retreat for their own safety. Although one man's life was hanging in the balance, some of the risks were too great to compromise others.
It's 5 people that the building collapsed into. One of them is missing. We hope that he's still alive, and we are waiting for the building department, the fire department, and emergency management to give us a report later on.
The operation described as currently in full swing, with analysis and additional details coming later.